Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1969 Corvette 427-400 tri-power, loaded with options. I got the owner here, he's going to tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today?
Good, how you doing, Mike?
Man, what a pretty car.
Yeah.
So you built it from the ground up, huh?
Yeah, it's a body on restoration. 427-400 tri-power. Motor's got about maybe 900 miles on it, built by Jack Merkel. No expense spared whatsoever. Everything works, everything's correct the way it should be. Real pretty car, nice driving car. Hate to part with it, but I built it for myself going back maybe 10 years ago.
Yep.
Moving on, so.
You moving, huh?
Yeah, I'm moving.
To Florida.
Going to Florida.
These might go too, huh?
Yeah, those might go. 69 Z28 302DZ and a 93 48th anniversary 6-speed.
All right.
41,000 miles.
All right, guys, check out the website. Those might be up shortly. Let's talk about this. Finished in Cortez silver, right?
Yep, finished in Cortez silver.
Black interior.
Racing wheels on it. I have the original rallies, which are in excellent condition, with BF Goodrich tires. I don't have them here. They're at my shop. Like I said, everything's been replaced. Exhaust, fuel lines, brake lines, calipers, rotors.
Hoses, clamps.
Closes, clamps. All to GM spec.
Yep, you'll see they're all tower clamps under the hood, all the correct hoses, the large pulley. Got the sway bar on the back for the big block.
I have an aftermarket sway bar in there, but I do have the original that I took out.
Okay.
It's in the garage. I didn't get rid of it. It was kind of raggy looking, so I just put an aftermarket sway bar in there just for aesthetics.
Sure. Sounds killer, bro.
Yeah, it runs real nice. Doesn't use any oil.
You only got a couple hundred miles on the motor, right?
Yeah, about 900.
900 miles.
900 miles, if that. Never drive it. Tilt telly, power brakes, power steering.
Power windows.
Power windows. Everything works. Headlights, vacuum.
Gorgeous.
Interior's all done.
Man, you didn't miss a step.
Fiberoptics work.
Okay.
All the fiber optics work. The windshield washers work going to the headlights. Got the 69 pump in there with the headlights, which are only exclusive to 69.
Yep. Right down to the pads on the brake, gas, and clutch. Beautiful. Showing 48,235 miles. Nice crispy gauges. Correct tack. Beautiful dash. You can see the fiber optics working. Man, gorgeous car.
Thank you.
You know what? The devil's in the details, and you nailed it.
Yeah. Correct screws everywhere. Nothing fugazi. I'm real anal about that.
Yeah, super particular. I like how your pocket on the dash isn't all hanging down. It's beautiful and crispy. Yeah. Correct flat black under the hood.
It runs cool. I put an auxiliary electric fan in front just in case it goes over if you're in traffic.
Okay.
You can't see it, it's hidden.
Oh, I see that.
I didn't even notice it. Sticks on there for around 210 degrees. Nice to have. It brings it right down.
Okay.
But these things are notorious for running hot.
Yeah, they are.
So you don't see it, you can't even tell it's there.
Jack Merkel is the man as far as building motors. Nice tri-power setup.
All carburetors were done rebuilt from Holland. I sent them out. They rebuilt them right from Holland.
Wow. Beautiful. All the correct shielding. Even the shielding on the spark plugs.
Fuel lines.
Yeah.
Everything.
Really pretty. Done.
All correct. Striping, new canisters at the headlights.
Correct pulley on the alternator.
Got a 4-4 radiator.
New cans up front. Can you pop the headlights on?
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the fan. Nice. Beautiful. Correct washer can?
Correct. Not date coded, but correct can.
Beautiful car. You got some original parts that go with it, right? The wheels, okay. See that blockhead's got all the correct roach marks in it. Very pretty. Awesome. And I could listen to that all day. Real crispy underneath too, guys.
Got the correct jack, big block jack.
Man, what a pretty car.
Thank you.
It's gonna be hard to part with this one.
It is going to be painful.
Awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. But also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main websites, WeBeAutos.com. Keep in mind we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. Thanks a lot for showing us your car. It's gorgeous.
Thank you.